Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Arabic with Amina. Today we are going to learn Ramadan vocabulary that you need to know during this holy month. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. It is in this month in which the Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Ramadan is a time of spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and heightened devotion. The sighting of the crescent moon, or hilal, marks the start and end of all Islamic months, including the holy month of Ramadan. During the Islamic holy month of Ramadan, Muslims fast, which is known as siyam, every day from sunrise to sunset. Fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Not eating for a whole day, you can imagine that people would get very hungry, or jaya', or also known as jaw'an. To prepare for the long days of fasting, a meal is eaten before dawn, fajr. This meal is known as sahur. Then at sunset, maghrib, when the mosque makes the caller to the prayer, or adhan,
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
the fast is finally over. The fast is broken by eating a date, tamr. The same way Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would break his fast. The evening meal eaten after breaking the fast is known as iftar. After all that fasting, Muslims dine on a variety of scrumptious foods to fill their empty stomachs. Once dinner is over, one is full, or shab'an. But Ramadan isn't just about food, ta'am. It is a month of worship, ibadah. Strengthening your faith and self-discipline, and rising above the materialistic things of this life. Muslims focus in this holy month to obtain as many good deeds as they can, which are known as hasanat, such as offering prayer, salah, and giving charity, sadaqah. After all, this is a blessed month, Shahr Mubarak. Don't forget to subscribe to Arabic with Amina for more videos on learning Arabic. If you like this video, please do like, share, and comment below your thoughts. See you next time, Arabic with Amina.